This HackerRank challenge is called Correctness and the Loop Invariants. Everything that you see here, including the diagrams, comes down to this challenge right here. And the right in the code, which is what is here on my right, is already given as part of this challenge. They state that there's an error somewhere here. Can we fix it? And finally, they say, print the array only once when it is fully sorted. So first we need to look at their predefined code, especially the part here that I'm highlighting is very similar to my older video where I explained the insertion sort algorithm. So I'm going to come back to that very soon. Let's scroll down a bit and we see that here they are already doing the printing for us. So we don't need to take care of printing the array when we are done with the sorting. The error here has to do with the actual sorting operation. If I run this code directly without making any change, we have a wrong answer. So this was their inputs and we're supposed to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But instead we have this part which is sorted 1, 2, 3 and then 5, 6. But the first element here was not sorted, which is 4. To make the solution even more obvious, I'm going to come here and add a custom inputs. So here this now is my custom inputs. I have 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6. So 5 and 4 here are supposed to swap their positions. If I run this code, we are able to pass the test case because then I'm expecting to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as a fully sorted array. And that is indeed the output that I get. So back to the default code here, the default inputs. What this tells you is that the first element inside the array does not get sorted. So we can scroll up here, look at the part that has to do with shifting, and it's inside the while loop, just like I explained in my older video here. So if you look at the while loop, here they say if j is greater than index 0 and we need to perform any sort of sorting, then we can perform the shifting to the left. But this here is an error because j has to reach the index 0. So we need to come here and add the equal sign to make this greater than or equal to 0. And now if I run this code, the sorting will be applied to the entire array and we'll be able to pass the test case because now 4 is going to get considered during the swapping of elements and the entire array is going to get sorted. So that's it for the solution. I'm just going to submit this code. It was just a simple character, which was the equal sign, but we were able to pass all the 4 test cases. So if you like this video, please make sure you check out my GitHub in the description and please subscribe to my channel to support it. I'll catch you next time.